These are all adoptable puppies through us, 3R and players. Some of them are players. This is Glory. Say hi, Glory.
So cute.
Oh. Our little girl Paige. Yeah. Say hi. How old are you? 12 weeks? I think she's 12 weeks.
Okay.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Come here, Radar.
Oh, my foot.
Our little Radar, Shepherd mix. He's about 10 to 12 weeks too, I think.
He's cute.
Groban, our little hound mix. I know, thank you. Who did I miss? Nobody? Calvin.
Yeah.
Come here, Calvin. Oh my God. And Calvin, our little rat mix.
Perfect. Oh my God, that one is so cute, that little one. Who's this blue one?
Her name's Paige. Paige, Calvin.
Oh my God. All right, get your mouth off it, Calvin. That little guy is so amazing. Oh my God. Yeah, perfect. Let's get